folks. So today we got a chance to get out of the house and head on down to the Miramar Air Show. Now the Miramar Air Show, it's a military air show here in San Diego. It's been going on since about 1953, I understand. It's one of the longest running American air shows in the country. And we're going to go head on down there today and take a look around. Now, the last time I was there was over 20 years ago because I brought my kids. Back in the day, kids and wife, and we went and checked it out. So it's been quite a while. So looking forward to seeing what we're going to see down there today. So hang in there.
So Charlie flies one of these.
Oh, nice.
This is a carbon fiber Cub.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a Piper Cub, but
it
looks way too new.
Yeah.
It's carbon fiber. Okay.
Yep. And he flies one called the Citabria, which is kind of like this, but these are, stick in the middle, short takeoff and landing. And we'll go fly around.
There you go, man. I'll happily meet you.
I got to get Charlie to get qualified in the G. I think he'd be up for that.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, Dad's something.
Oh yeah, let's take a picture of these. I want to take a picture of all.
What is this again? What is it again?
It's a 39 Albatross.
L39 Albatross. Very cool.
These are the ones they fly or start.
So Airbus makes helicopters now too. Oh wow. Yeah, from back. Oh really?
Yeah. Look at all this.
Wow. No kidding. Showtech, huh?
It's not one of the Hondas, so it's probably one of the Cessnas. It's your call sign. Oh, gee, I wonder how he got that.
Which way you want to go? Left, right?
This one looks like it does EW because of all those antennas. This might be one of their growlers or something. He's out of prison.
Out of prison, that's right. Our congressman. So I got to meet as a kid as a lieutenant commander.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for the jet assisted takeoff, right?
They bought all of the companies that make all.
Oh, did they really? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's how they're in business.
Yeah. What do they call it? Ryan?
Yeah, I finally got a handle on my $70 drone from Costco.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. I finally able to fly that thing effectively without crashing it.
Oh, nice.
Oh well, it was a good learning tool. Trust me. It's for $70.
I forget who I was working with, Sergeant, some long time. He said, "Do you know anything about satellite communications?" I'm like, "Yeah, well, maybe."
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so we got the system over here. It doesn't work, and you think you can fix it? I'm like, sure, I'll look at it.
Yeah.
They had some stuff unplugged. Sure. It was an old Spectrum, the Scientific Atlanta system.
Oh wow.
But there wasn't anything wrong with it. It was just they didn't have it put together right.
Right.
So, I worked on it for about 3 or 4 hours, and it got all up and running. And he reported back to the general or whoever like that.
Right.
I actually liked the UH1.
Flying with the side doors open all the time on the 60s, so just because the airflow is so bad when you button it up.
But the UH-1H, they flew with the doors open with me.
That's what I'm saying. I'm on the. I'm sorry, I didn't say that right. Yeah, the UH-1.
I actually sat in the gunner seat.
They would just open the
They would let me sit in the gunner seat.
Nice.
Like when I was working, we were putting the video on the helicopters.
Right, up in LA, right?
And I put all the receiving stations on the mountaintops. That's where they have the helicopter because it would take like a couple of days to get to the top of this mountain.
Oh, yeah.
It would take me like, an hour to get to my helicopter. And so we were testing that thing out. And like, okay, turn to the left, turn to the right. You can see the antenna tracking. And like, okay, let's
say ones. God knows they're UH somethings.
Probably took the one, probably the X version. This is the newer one. I think these are the supers here.
No, Super Cobras, or
these are not the supers. These are still the regular ones. Yeah, we got a bunch of Cobra pilots.
Oh, really?
We're inside of
makes sense. Yeah, up in a compartment. Yeah, so reduce that signature. I guess every little bit counts now. Huh?
Unbelievable.
That's gonna be amazing. Yeah, and it's got nods built into it too. So you got night vision in there.
You got the night vision. There you got your night vision camera here along with your DAS aperture system. So if you don't know, around the aircraft there's cameras.
Right.
So with one flick of a button, all those cameras, you'll have one seamless image.
These are external cameras on the airframe itself. Okay.
And that will display here along with the information from the aircraft that displays. So no matter where you look, you can actually look through, look down, look all around the aircraft with no obstruction.
Isn't that amazing?
It's outstanding. It's a little bit nauseating the first time you do it at night, but it's like being on a magic carpet.
Well, it's cool. So when you're getting your wings, getting qualified, just use that old flight gear, right? The old standard helmets.
Oh, I used to throw that helmet around. And
I was say, this is kind of cool helmet. Then you get one of these, and you're like, oh my God, this is like night and day.
It's a classy mishap if you drop it.
Yeah.
The Army's got them, the Marine Corps got them, the Air Force has them, and the Navy has them.
Sir, what's this on the front?
For what? So this tells me I'm flying, I'm going to see this flight. So this is
51s had the bubble canopy. Oh, wait a minute, it's got a rear fairly fireful.
every hour you make progress.
I've never seen that. Fairly, what, 60 years old? Oh, God, more than that, yeah. Built in the 50s, man. Unreal.
I'm like, you guys get rid of the full wing. But I guess they're too expensive when they got stealthy enough for too expensive.
Yeah.
But they can carry them so much.
Oh, yeah, especially as they
never run out of bullets.
Smaller and smaller cruise missiles now with even more punch.
Yeah.
And these pods of just clearly, it almost looks like a World War II movie where they were just dropping iron bombs.
Yeah.
Instead, they're dropping smart bombs to include the cruise missiles out of these things. I mean, it's like cluster munitions.
That's claustrophobic. It's actually huge. You can smell it. Yeah. That's its own smell.
Lily Hatch, get the smallest guy in the crew to go through that one.
Yeah. Go back and count the bombs. They put them on there and you built them when you want to fly.
Oh.
I know it's an oldie, but
That's a beauty. Where they at?
I think it's hovering.
Oh, they spinning up?
Yeah, I think it's hovering. there, we got an MQ-9 right there.
Oh, there you go. Marines all over. Sad to say, yeah.
I see the writing on the wall. That one's going to happen. We'll see if the U.S. steps up and they go, you know what? You already got your chip. In fact, we're here over the United States. Let it go.
Yeah, we're okay. Yeah, we recognize China anyway, so.
Yeah, Kamala. I was hoping to see. I want to see one of the helmets they fly with.
Oh, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah. $200,000 helmet.
Yeah.
Good to see the Marine Corps still maintaining the standards. This female staff sergeant drill instructor putting this young man through the paces. Right.
They're trying to phase those out and replace them with MQ-9s.
Oh, no kidding? Really? Wow. Guy just told you.
No, I know that for a fact.
Oh, you know that.
I worked up in MES Whidbey Island, where
Right.
these guys are based.
Yeah, what is it? Was it Black Widow or something? What do they call this thing? I'm trying to remember. Rob? All right, and this gentleman put this bird back together again. How many hours you figure you got in this, Rob?
Oh my goodness. Well, 24/7 for 3 weeks.
Wow, okay. Amazing. And it's an
A26.
A26. Awesome. We appreciate that, Rob. Thanks, man. Well, folks, that finishes up the day for us. Hope you enjoyed watching and look forward to putting out the next one for you. So be sure to like and subscribe. Till next time. Bye for now.